Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and for today's video is we're going to pick some vegetables in here 6 p.m. April 14, and we're going to pick some vegetables here. So yeah, it's 6 p.m. guys. April 14, 6 p.m. in the Philippines. So I am here Yeah. So it's like getting dark na, and I need to do this because uh it's earlier pa sana, but my one of my cousin is here. So we are talking pan, then I need to pick. So it's here Going to pick this one. So it's getting dark na, so I need to use the light of the camera. Yeah. Okay. It's getting dark na. It's getting dark na.